Hey everyone, welcome back to this learning. In this video, we are going to understand garbage collector and net, its generations, and the difference between dispose and finalize in a very simple way. Let's start. What is garbage collector? GC. In net, garbage collector or GC is responsible for automatic memory management. Whenever we create an object, memory is allocated on the managed heap. The garbage collector continuously monitors which objects are still in use and which are no longer referenced. When an object is no longer needed, GC marks it for cleanup and reclaims the memory during the collection cycle. This helps prevent memory leaks and improves application performance. How GC works? Step by step, memory is allocated on the managed heap for new objects. GC tracks all object references. When no reference exists, GC marks the object as garbage. During the GC cycle, memory is freed automatically. So as developers, we don't have to manually delete objects. GC does it for us. GC generations. The garbage collector works on a generation-based memory model. There are 3 generations. Generation 0, newly created objects, collected very frequently. Generation 1, objects that survived Gen 0, medium-lived objects. Generation 2, long-lived objects, like static data or cache, collected rarely. The reason behind generations is performance. Instead of scanning the entire heap every time, GC focuses more on short-lived objects, which improves speed and efficiency. Dispose method. Now let's talk about dispose. Dispose comes from the IDisposable interface, and it is called explicitly by the developer. That means we manually write obj.dispose. Dispose is mainly used to release unmanaged resources, such as file handles, database connections, network connections, streams. Dispose is deterministic, meaning the cleanup happens immediately when we call it. Because of this, dispose is fast, predictable, and more efficient, and it does not put extra load on the garbage collector. Finalize method. Now let's talk about finalize. Finalize is a protected method from the object class, and it is called automatically by the garbage collector. Just before the object is destroyed, we do not call finalize manually. It works like a safety net. If the developer forgets to call dispose, finalize can still clean up unmanaged resources. But finalize is non-deterministic. We don't know exactly when the garbage collector will run. It may execute later. Because of this, finalize is slower and adds extra performance overhead. Simple comparison. In simple terms, dispose manual cleanup, fast, predictable, recommended. Finalize automatic cleanup by GC, slow, used only as backup. That's why in real-world projects, we prefer dispose and use finalize only when necessary. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, like the video, share it with your developer friends, and subscribe to Sklearning for more smart learning. Happy coding!